It's Monday. It's time to talk technology, and our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, the CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, is with us once again on Power Talk Radio. Luis, welcome back.
Thank you, Mark. How are you today?
Doing really well, and we have a fascinating topic to talk about, and this is one where folks really need to pay attention because it has to do with getting scammed, and it seems that every time we turn around, there's a new scam on the internet or on our phones.
Yeah.
And right now, banks are reporting a tenfold surge in digital scams. This is according to a cybersecurity firm. So what kind of scams are we talking about that are in the digital realm here?
As technology evolves and new things come into our world to make life simpler, the bad guys try to take advantage of that. And we're talking about apps like Zelle or Venmo or even PayPal that's been around for a while, but these are those apps that let you easily pay bills or pay somebody back for something they did for you. For example, I have a guy, Bruce, that cleans the bottom of my boat every 6 weeks, and he sends me a bill and I pay him through Venmo. Pretty straightforward. Easier than writing a check or using a credit card. The problem is that a lot of people are getting fooled into sending money to people because they get these bills. It's really easy for somebody to go on Venmo and find your account and send a request for payment. And sometimes people pay those without really thinking about it because they get it through these apps. And it's starting to become a real problem, so much so that banks are starting to really push back on these payment companies like Zelle and Venmo, saying, hey, you need to do more to prevent these sorts of things from happening.
One of the things that I found that helps insulate from these types of problems is that I have two accounts. There's one account that I will attach to PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and I keep very little amount of money in that account. And if I think I need more, then I will actually physically transfer the money from A to B. Point being is I'm wary of scams and I don't want to get wiped out. So if they nail this one smaller account, I'm not going to lose very much, like $100 or so. I don't put my main account out there where it can be compromised, if you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, exactly. And that's a good way to protect yourself. And also, when you get text from somebody saying, hey, here's my Venmo account, please pay that $200 you owe me, or whatever that may be wary of it and always ask yourself, did I really employ this person to do something for me, or do I really owe this money before you send the money?
All right, that's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today. Online, alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the X handle. Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-TEAM. That's 866-784-8326.